Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a topic which is a demand of this time. Globally, all the countries are facing this problem, especially in India. The private teachers and the people who are working private with private institutions are facing a low down in their payment. Either the institutions are not paying the teachers and the employees well, or either they have deducted the salary to half. Now, as all other expenses are there in place, even we have much more expensive for our health measures. So in this scenario, we are looking for some job options which we can work from home. So that's how come the term of freelance. So today in this video, I brought the three most required, or you can say demanding, job profiles which you can work from home. You can work according to your time availability and with your job according to your suitable time. You can work as a freelancer with these. So these jobs are, first one is data entry, the second one is content writer, third one is social media management. Now I'm going to discuss all these three job profile, what all is required and how you can change the websites, how you can start this job profile from home by using simply your mobile or just a simple laptop and with a good internet speed. So let's start today's video. First one is data entry jobs. Now for these jobs you will get many huge advertisement on website like Indeed, maybe OLX, maybe Naukri.com and Quicker. You will get many advertisements. It's a very popular job profile. What all is required in that? People who have the hard copy. For example, I have any kind of notebook and in which I have a script written and I want that script to turn into a soft copy, maybe in terms of a docs, maybe in terms of a PDF or some data in the form of an Excel sheet. So if you have a basic knowledge of PDF conversion to PDF, typing docs, just a simple typing speed you have, or maybe you have a basic knowledge of the Excel, then you can easily work with this job profile. Now what all is required for this? They will provide you certain documents. Maybe they will just click the picture of the handwritten note and they will send it to you, and they will ask you to type it down in the form of a Word document, and then they will set a time period. Maybe they require that particular file in 2 days, 3 days, and according to your time availability you need to do it. Now with this job profile, it's looking very nice. The payment you are getting is totally depend on the quality of work you are providing. If you are going to provide a good quality without the mistakes, maybe you are very concerned about the spelling mistakes, the format you are providing, it's a clean format and properly symmetrical, then according to your work they will give you, maybe initially you will get lower price, but as you will provide the quality of the work, the companies, the websites will offer you a higher price. Now certain thing you need to take care of. There are scams involved in this kind of job profile. You will see many people are asking for registration. They will ask you, I will give you work if you will register, and you need to pay a registration fees of 2,000 rupees or maybe 3,000 rupees. I think it doesn't make any sense. If a person is going to look for a job profile like data entry, then definitely he's struggling with financial things and he's looking for a job where he can earn some extra bucks. Now if you have to pay to work for that, that is not at all making sense. You can do that. Maybe you will earn your first month, and whatever earning you will get, that you can ask that person to cut the registration fees from that earning. But do not fall into a scam of certain website who are asking you to register and then only they will provide you the work. It's not at all a good website, and they are definitely doing a scam and just they want to earn some extra money from you. Now what else you can do? Instead of checking the advertisement, you can also provide as an advertisement on the free websites like OLX, and you can provide your details that you are available or you are free to work as a data entry, and this is the cost price. Maybe for a 2-hour work you are charging 500 or 1,000 bucks, and then you make yourself available, and through that you will get some genuine customers and the clients who really looking for certain work on an urgent basis, and they will contact you. Second work profile is a content writing. as you will hear the name content writing, you must be thinking that you should be good in English and you should have certain command on your grammar, then only you can work as a content writer. To burst the bubble, I'll tell you one thing: you can work as a content writer in any language. Nowadays, it may be in Hindi or maybe any other state language, there are thousands of content writing jobs are available. So if you're not at all good in English but you're good in any other language, then you can go for it. Now I remember when I did the content writing job, it was around 6 to 7 years back. That time I started my content writing job with the amount of 20 paise per word. So I know it's a very low. For example, if you're writing an article of 500 words, you are going to get only 100 rupees for that. It's very low, but once you'll get command over it and you are providing a good quality content to your clients, then the people who are regularly into this field, they will provide you the higher price. I have seen people are charging 1 to 1.5 rupee for one word, and it's a good earning. I'll tell you, if you really like this profession and you are good into writing, good into collection of your thoughts, then you should try this. This you can do any period of time. They will give you, for example, by Monday they need this article, they need an article of 1000 words, and they're asking you to do it by Monday. So you can do it, make it ready by now, and then you can make it available on Monday. So you can do it according to your pace, according to your availability of time. Now for this also, you will see many articles on Indeed, on Naukri.com, OLX, Quicker, and Twitter also. Many people are posting that they are looking for the content writing profession. Now this online reading and learning is increasing like anything. We are restricted to our home, we are not able to step out, so people are so much into reading or through online websites, and they love to read the articles. If you're really into writing, then you will find your audience very soon. It's not difficult to find an audience who are eager to learn online and read online. Now, third one is the social media management. See, this is the era of startups. You can see a 20-year-old or a 40-year, everybody is looking for a startup. Everybody is looking for work where they can be their own boss and they can work on their pace. So now in this, for example, I'm doing a startup and I can't handle all the job profiles by my own. I need to show my work on social media handles. For that, people are hiring the social media manager. For that, you need to handle all the social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, or maybe Snapchat, and maybe you need to interact with the clients, whatever the inquiries you are getting online. Even you start from small startup to a higher brand. Everybody want to show their work on social media platform, because this is the era of social media. So this is a job profile which is in high demand. For example, a small creator like me, I have hardly 7,000 subscribers in my YouTube, but still I'm looking for a person who can, like, I will just create the content and that person will just look for the queries, the questions, can answer to that and can edit my videos like that. So even a small creator, you can start from a small creator to the big brands. Everybody is looking for a you can see a helping hand who can handle the different social media things and can make the work popular and can make the work available to many people as much possible. So these are the 3 job profiles for that you do not need to have any requirement. I personally did work as a content writer and a data entry job. So if you have any questions regarding that, you must post in the comment box and try to help you whatever possible way I can. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and do share your feedback in the comment box. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.